let these niggas slide me out. Brought her to the beach, her body out. Leather seats inside a G-Wagon. See my old bitches and I speed past them. Working on myself, don't need nothing. I still want you to win, I don't be frontin'.
Yo, what's good YouTube? We're back to the next video. Today's video, actually wait, before you guys roast me, this is the same day. I got 3 things in the mail and I just wanted to open them all up at the same time. So I just turned into 3 different videos. So this is not a different day, I'm not wearing the same clothes. You guys don't have to roast me. But in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the Razer Huntsman's Mini. This is my first keyboard. I've been in console. I gotta, I'm just expose something. But this is my first time using keyboard and mouse. I've been on console the whole time. And I just want to try keyboard and mouse. Obviously I'm doing controller for FNCS, but after FNCS I'm going to be using this keyboard. I'm just going to give you guys an unboxing. So this is the box, Razer Huntsman Mini, and I saw a video. I bought a different keyboard. I'll probably just put it on the screen now. It's called the Red Dragon or the Red Dragon keyboard. I bought that, and then after I was watching people's videos, I was searching out best keyboards, and I saw this. So I was like, oh shoot, I'm like, should I just return it? So I returned it, and I got this keyboard. This keyboard looks fire. And then the time when I bought it too, I watched the video let's say 30 minutes later, and obviously it was Kiwi's. I watched Kiwi's video, and he said he just got this, and he did a whole video on it. So I was like, what the? I'm like, it's actually this good. So I guess today I'm just gonna give you guys an unboxing and just show you guys it, and I'm probably just gonna show you guys or give you guys a sound test because I got the red switches, so it's supposed to be quieter. Obviously, just look at it here. This could be a little bit quieter than the clicky ones. So let's just get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh. All right, nobody saw that. So let's read what's on the outside the box. It says they have Razer Optical switches, which is better for speed of light. And then it has sturdy and textured finishes because it's a double shot keycap. And it has a detachable Type-C cable. So this is good that it has it's detachable actually. It's not Bluetooth though, but it's detachable, so that's good. And what else did it say? It has RGBs along everywhere on it, and it's a 60%. I forgot to say that. It's a 60%, that's why it's called the Mini. And I want to get a 60% because my desk, I don't have a lot of space. I updated my desk too, or my gaming setup. So that video's gonna come up probably next week. But let's get into the unboxing now. So here's a USB-C cable. I'll take it out for you guys. Hopefully it's long. It looks long right now. Yeah, this is good. This is definitely gonna work for me. So this is the USB-C cable. This is good, and I think it's USB-C to a USB-A, I believe. So that's good. I'll just put this over there, and let's get the keyboard now. All right, so now we're gonna get to the keyboard now. This is my first keyboard. So this is the keyboard I was using before, and it wasn't even for gaming. I was just using it. So it's basically 60%, I guess. This is small. This is actually a small keyboard. Oh my god. This is gonna work for me though, because when I had I used a Logitech keyboard before, my first time ever using a keyboard. And it was way too big. I'm like, how am I supposed to reach over here? Because I had a controller my whole time. So I'm happy I got this keyboard. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And as you can see on the bottom, right here, this would be F1, this is F2. They have it on the bottom side, if you guys can see them. So obviously it's gonna be missing the F1 on top because it's 60%. But if you can still use this by pressing Control and then this, so you'll get the F1. And obviously you can see it doesn't have the arrows over here to move. It's A, the W, D, S, A. I'm sorry, I'm not good at keyboard unboxings. This is my first keyboard. And I don't know if you could pop this out easily. I don't want to pop it out. But hopefully you guys can see there's you can see the red switches. So I'll give you guys a sound test quick. It's not that loud compared to the one I had before that I was using. Let's try this one. It's loud, but like it doesn't sound bad, but this is good. Just give you guys some ASMR right there. But I guess I'm gonna plug this in for you guys and show you guys the lighting and how the RGBs work. And let's just get into that. Alright, so I was looking through the rest of the box and I found out that I had this, you don't really need. Then I had some stickers that I will not be using. And then through the manual, it had like the colors, how you can switch how you want the lighting presets that they already have. You can switch it in the app, but I don't have the app downloaded yet. So I plugged it in and everything, and this is what it looks like. This is crazy. Let me change the lighting right quick. Just make it a little dark so you can see it. But they have this setting, and if you want to change it to the next preset, I believe this one's a breathing. I think this is just the rainbow effect. You'll press FN, control, and I think I'm on 3 right now, so I'll do 2. So now it's on 2, and look how it moves now. Is it even changing? Alright, I think this one just sticks on it. I think this one's slower. This one moves slower. Then we'll do 4. For 4, this is it. Now it's going through it. So it has pink, and it has red, and it has orange. So it's just gonna keep going through it. But I think I'm gonna leave mine on 3 because 3 is the rainbow. It's just going through all them. So I like 3. And that's probably gonna be the unboxing for you guys. I gave you guys a sound test. I showed you guys the stickers. I showed you guys the color presets that you can put on. So that's gonna be the unboxing video. If you guys have any questions, it's my first time using it, so I could just answer all your guys' questions. But I'll try my best to answer all your guys' questions. But that's gonna be the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Later.